Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting the NOCO Genius GEN5X1 marine battery charger, hailed as the best in its class. Compact yet incredibly powerful, the GEN5X1 sets a new standard for marine battery chargers. It's designed to be versatile and reliable, perfect for maintaining the health of your boat's batteries. Let's delve into its features. First off, its compact design belies its power, delivering 5 amps per bank. It's ideal for marine, boat, starter, and deep cycle batteries. You can select from multiple charging modes, tailored for different battery types like AGM, lithium, and even a repair mode for lead-acid batteries. One standout feature is its integrated thermal sensor, which adjusts charging to suit ambient temperatures, preventing damage from over or undercharging. And don't worry about durability, it's IP68 rated, meaning it's fully waterproof and rigorously tested to handle the toughest marine conditions. For those tough situations, the Force mode lets you charge batteries from as low as 1 volt, giving you control in critical moments. Installation is a breeze with its flexible mounting system, designed to fit in any direction and minimize noise and vibration. Users love the reliability and ease of use, making it a favorite among boaters who demand the best performance from their equipment. In conclusion, the NOCO Genius GEN5X1 is not just a charger, it's an investment in the longevity and reliability of your marine batteries. That wraps up our review of the NOCO Genius GEN5X1 marine battery charger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for you. Until next time, happy boating!